Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube TV and signing in with the account that actually pays for the service. Once done, go straight to your profile and choose Settings. This is where billing lives. Make sure you have the new card details or PayPal credentials handy, because you will need to enter them without delays. If you're on a phone, tap your avatar, then Settings, then Billing. This sequence moves you directly to the payment controls you'll change. Now, under Billing, locate Payment Methods and click Add or Edit. This is the technical step where you enter the new card or link PayPal. Enter the card number, expiration, CVV, and the billing address exactly as your bank records them. This prevents declines. Once entered, choose Set as Primary if it should replace the old one. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Read it, because it explains any immediate charges or prorations that may happen. Finish by confirming the new payment method is saved and set as primary. YouTube TV displays the next billing date, so make sure charges will go to the right account. If you see prorated adjustments, that's normal when switching mid-cycle, so review the charge summary. If the card is declined, double-check billing address and CVV, try linking PayPal instead, or call your card issuer to authorize the charge. That usually resolves holds and gets your service billing back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.